Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I have got you another unboxing today. Today we have got Noise TWS to unbox. Yes, it's Noise VS104. So Amazon has sent this much big package for TWS just so in case I don't know what's wrong with Amazon. They've got a lot of branding these days. So let's open this up and check inside quickly. Yeah. Oh, they're bare inside. So these are the Noise VS104. They are in this plastic wrap. They're inside this plastic wrap. Let's see what's inside them. It says Bluetooth 5.2 here, 13mm drivers, HyperSync technology, and InstaCharge. InstaCharge can give you 10 minutes of charge up to 2 hours of battery backup. So let's see if the company claims are true. Let's remove this plastic wrapping around here. So the boxing is quite premium, as I also reviewed the Noise Earbuds Mini. I've also always appreciated the boxing and packaging of Noise. They always do it the extra level. And so here are the Buds VS104 today to unbox. Let's check what's inside. We're good to go. And here's again two slide of design of boxes. The TWS we previously unboxed, the Wings one, they are also slide of boxes. So this one is as usual one. So let's open up from here. And here are some Noise stickers from Noise. Actually does branding. And we also got Noise Gratefulness sticker, the brand ambassador, and also got the registration and warranty thing. Do register, you might need it when you want to claim your warranty. And this is the usage guide, and this is the connectivity guide, how you're going to connect to your device. Not a big user manual, I suppose. Yeah, they also got a big user manual, which we usually don't read. Woo! So here they are inside Noise Buds VS104, and I see why they are already on. I don't know what's wrong with Noise. They are already on here. Typically companies keep up the charging things with the sticker, but they are on. I haven't opened the box. I opened right here right now, but you can see the light here, the indication it's on. I mean, it's charging, the case is charging. I don't know why. So it's not a good sign for a brand, because you wanna look after battery health of your buds. So removing this case, and here we go. Here are the Noise Buds. These are quite compact. It's kind of pebble thing. It's not in a glossy finish, it's matte finish, matte black color I have. They are available in all three colors. These have got 13mm drivers and Bluetooth 5.2 with IPX5 rated, water resistant, not waterproof. They are workout proof, you know, little sweat, dirt, and little thing, not as a jet of spray of water. This can keep you good for water resistance. It has got Type-C USB charging, which gives you fastest charging. You get 10 hours charge, that is insta charge what they claim. 10 minute charge, and gives you 120 minutes playback. So let's see how they are inside this. So it's quite easy to get them off the lid, and the lid's good. I actually like the case design. The hinge is quite reliable and good, and holds good strength. It's pebble like design. See, it will tightly snug into your pocket. Noise cases are always small and compact. They always get space in your pockets. So let's test the fit of these buds. Let's put them inside. They are let me tell you, they are all made up of plastic. They do feel like a bit of plastic, but they are of premium thing, but still they are like plasticky thing. Yeah, let's connect to the device and check how this sounds. So I have opened my iPhone right here so that I can connect with the Noise Buds VS104. They are quite right here. They have got the HyperSync technology, which does not require you to connect every time you take out a buds. If your buds is paid once, you can just take out of your case and it automatically connect your mobile phones. So it has already connected right here. So let's go to Spotify and listen some cool music. So we are done with the Bluetooth testing, and I say they are quite premium. They give quite premium noise at this price level. I bought it for 1100. They are already listed for 1600 or 1400, I suppose. These are the VS104 variant, and they have got good treble, good vocals, good bass, you know, all balanced out, so that nothing is high, nothing is low, everything is balanced. So it's good for casual listeners or the guys who's just used for music. It hasn't got any separate gaming mode for this thing, so it's good for casual listeners. You travel a lot a day, so you wanna put up and listen to your favorite tunes. You can use in metro, you can use buses, you can also use during workout, I suppose. Let's check it. yeah, you can probably use during workouts, and there are sweat resistant. And I suppose they have got two mics down here, so they are not quad mics as I supposed I talked about during the Wings Phantom 250. Wings Phantom 250 offer a lot of features for a lesser price. If you are a gaming enthusiast and like the colors of a gaming device like red, RGB, and you can probably just go sure for the TWS of Wings Phantom. If you're a casual listener, more of classic dramatic type guy who always listen to tunes of Boy With Uke, so you can go for noise, and they have got balanced out noise profile. Like they also got covered bass, they also got covered drums, they also got covered vocals. Everything is quite balanced out here. The case is snug, the case is so fit so that it can hold up easily, and you can, next time you remove out, you don't need to pair again because it's got hypersync technology which can directly connect to your mobile. So this was the review of Noise VS104. If you have liked it, go subscribe to the channel. A sub to my channel would be a noise maker. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Go hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends who would like to buy this. I'll give the best buy link in the description below. So this is Aman, you're watching How To. I'll catch you in the next one.